Verum spear point marking knife comes in this box to keep it in good condition, and also a guard we'll take off. It's a spear point knife, which basically means it's ground on the left and the right hand sides with a flat back. The idea of the spear point means that you can certainly use it either on the right or the left hand side of a square, or more importantly, if you were marking out dovetails, we need to get our knife so it's right up against the edge of the dovetail when we scribe it to the second half. So for here we can use the one side of the knife for in here and getting inside, and then when we come to the other sides we flip the knife over, so now we've got the left hand edge getting into scribe where those dovetails are onto the second part. A good strong knife, really good quality steel, going to really hold a very good edge. For more details of the Verum knives or any of our Verum products, check us out on woodworkersworkshop.co.uk, follow us on Instagram, Facebook and on our YouTube channel.